I present to you Darktide, Fat Shark's greatest release since Escape Dead Island, where they set the scene in the Warhammer 40,000 universe, a series I am personally very fond of. It sees players take the roles of the toughest, fiercest, and most unforgiving killers in all of the galaxy, Porter Rejects, who must now prove themselves to an Inquisitor and his staff that they can once again be trusted with sharp objects. And there is only one way for someone to prove their loyalty to the Emperor of Mankind. That is to purge the unclean. Players are sent to Atoma Prime, an allegory for real-world Detroit, in which heretics have taken this once shining example of an Imperial hive world and have brought down the property value. Specifically, rejects are sent to the hive city of Tertium to complete rudimentary tasks like flushing a toilet while under threat of space Chechens and the monkey box.
You got it.
Oh, it's a game.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah, you just
Come on, bro. You play GTA 5. You've done the heist. You know how to do shit.
You need a morsel of help.
Besides holding off hordes, players will deal with special enemies as well. Traitor Ogrins, mutants, pit bulls, and trappers only name a few of these colorful characters the rejects will encounter throughout these levels.
Uh-oh. Plague Ogren.
That's a fucking beast of Nurgle, nigga, not a Plague Ogre!
Nurgle?
I'm fucking getting out of this hole! Run! Oh shit, that nigga threw up on me!
Oh my god, go, 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 go!
Run, nigga, run!
Oh, that does not hurt.
This thing is gonna eat me, fucking move! Help, please!
The levels themselves feel straight out of a Warhammer setting, with the art design really killing it here. I'll admit, some of the levels feel just a little bit samey, but you don't really notice that when you're being overrun.
I don't think these niggas are high enough level for Uphoarded 3.
The characters are as entertaining as the enemies. Players can choose between 4 flavors of reject. The Ogren, big human bastards that act as walking shields. The Veteran, an Imperial Guard dropout who now runs around screaming his head off about Cadia every 2 fucking minutes. The Psyker.
Space Wizards.
And lastly, my favorite, the Zealot. If the name didn't imply it already, the Zealot is a religious extremist devoted to turning the Emperor's enemies into soup. The Zealot charges into the enemy hordes with his special ability, making him an excellent choice for close combat. I had chosen Zealot as my reject on a whim, but never once regretted it. Give him the Scottish voice option and you've got a proper Highlander. I found that in the beginning, the Zealot is actually somewhat underwhelming. However, once I reached about level 12 and got access to some of the special Zealot weapons, things got gnarly.
Is there even anything good that you want? Ooh, I actually do kind of want that.
Holy fuck!
Third one.
How about it?
No, I got dog. The fucking pit bull. Princess, no! Princess the pit bull.
Waiter, more toddlers, please.
Like everyone, just something you are not.
Sniper.
This is the bit. Who is
Yeah,
wrong?
that's Psyker exclusive.
Francis, who is wrong with you more, onions or alcohol?
At this point, Uncle. Uncle's wronged us all many more times. Uncle's wronged Onions. I don't know why Onion sides with Uncle. Uncle has wronged Onions so many times.
How are they wrong?
It's the Naval Alliance.
I do not. You don't even know how many times you've shot Onions. Can you tell me how many times you shot Onions?
Like other games, yeah.
Like 3 times.
It's at least
Like
4.
Sean killed him in Marauders.
At least 4 times in Marauders.
They're at the furnace.
Oh shit! Already? I think it might. No, I think that might be you guys I was hearing. Yeah, this is you.
What? We're upstairs.
Yeah, it's me. What do you mean I'm upstairs? I'm here.
Wait, who's that guy with the axe? What the
I don't
fuck?
fucking know. That's an AI. Oh shit! It's a fucking miner! Fuck you!
He had a pickaxe.
There's another guy here. You guys are fucking blind. You guys are fucking blind. You fuckers are fucking blind. I'm dead. You fuckers. You fuckers.
Who killed you?
Branson. Branson, you fuck. Branson. Because I got fucking axed, and then the guy that fucking ran up on you while you were fucking looting with an SVT fucking shot me twice in the face, motherfucker.
Okay, hold on.
Fucking
Special guest appearance, Marauders. You may be thinking, what the hell does this half-baked diesel punk fan's wet dream have to do with a video about Darktide? Well, I have no reasonable answer for you. The two games seem similar at first glance, but contrast greatly. Marauders is a loot and escape game similar to Tarkov, where you and 3 other space Somalis raid various overrun facilities in the far future of 1989, a reality in which World War I simply went on indefinitely, spreading all the way into the galactic frontier. Sometimes things go right. Most of the time, things go very wrong.
left side loading. Did I get him? No. Loaded?
I'm in the corner.
Or healing?
Distracting.
We should have been so fucking greedy.
Oh fuck, I was out of ammo! What the fuck? It's a fun little game, and I played it incessantly, leading up to the pre-order beta release of Darktide. Because of that, I've shoved this shoehorn segment down your throat, forcing you to enjoy every second of it.
This is a different game. Different beat.
So enough of that, back to Darktide. Now, I'll talk a bit about the shit. Yes, despite its rewarding gameplay, there was a reoccurring Easter egg that happened in which I was disconnected from the server at least 4 fucking times per match, which completely sapped my accrued enjoyment and investment in the game. It was seriously a joke, and I pray that Fat Shark has this situation fixed at launch. Yes, it's probably unfair to judge, as most of these opinions come out of me playing the beta, but it was like days before launch and not one person in my squad could go a match without some kind of game-halting connection issue. The game is pretty good though. Hits all the points of a good co-op FPS even at pre-launch, so the future is bright as the devs look to polish and work out all the balancing issues. Just please, for the love of Terra, keep a close fucking eye on the servers, Fat Shark. As for my expectations, I was a bit worried for Darktide's appeal, specifically the setting, and if there was a market for it. In the realm of Warhammer games in the past, we've seen bombastic scenarios of glorious space marines pitted against the abominable forces of chaos, as seen in Dawn of War. Or massive battles in Warhammer's fantasy setting from the Total War series. So I wasn't certain if the premise of a bunch of rejects running around in the sewer of some back alley hive world would pull people in. But I digress. The game has exceeded my expectations and I'll be playing it for many more hours to come. Good stuff.
Let's go to the phones real quick.
Yeah, I'm calling in to request any music that ain't this. Stop playing everything you've been playing, cause your music sounds like a dumpster rolling down 5 flights of stairs.
They just do some very gay shit.
I do that all the time. It sounds like a perfect descriptor
Hold
of
on,
me.
pause, nigga.
Resume.
I take I take back every statement I have just said. Please forgive me.
Does Uncle know about the Thug Shaker?
I don't think he does.